Hello guys, good morning. I hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a day in my life. I'm going to be cooking, cleaning and a bit of meal prepping here and there. So I hope you enjoy the video. This is early in the morning and that's how my kitchen is looking. So I started by doing the dishes. I honestly did not have any energy to do the dishes at night, so I just left the kitchen looking so unkept. But honestly, with this pregnancy, at times I'm just so tired. I don't have energy to do anything, so I just left them like that. But in the morning, babe woke up, prepared Mike for school, they made breakfast. So at this point I had already taken breakfast and now I'm just cleaning the breakfast dishes.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass at the bit. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your fault. Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass at the bit. Should've never let you in my.
If you're a mom, I don't know whether your toddlers do this, because mine does all the time. If he is not like busy playing with his toys, which actually keep him occupied for like 30 minutes straight, and then he gets bored, he'll straight away come to where I am and just keep me company. Like right now he was giving me stories, holding my hand, he was asking for sweet. I have learned to just do work with him because I don't want him to be on the cartoon all the time. So I just have to work with him. Whatever I'm doing, we are together. When I'm cooking, he's seated at the counter table. Right now I'm doing the dishes. He has a chair. That's why he looks tall. But he's just there everywhere, wherever I am. Comment down below, tell me, do your toddlers do this all the time or it's just mine? To wipe my counter, I use Astonish kitchen cleaner. I love this cleaner because it is so efficient, especially in removing like oil stains on your wall, on the counter space. Like it's really nice and it smells fantastic. I also love the fact that I can still use it on my stove because it really does the work, especially in dissolving the stains that might be there, like the cooking oil stains and those stains that have like sort of stuck, like if milk accidentally poured yesterday. It's really good at removing all those. So I love it because I don't have to put a lot of work when it comes to cleaning my stove.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this.
absolutely love shining the sink. I find it so therapeutic. And on that part, I use the toothbrush because my nails are long and I can't like insert my finger there. So that's why I use that cat toothbrush to help me clean. And I'm just drying it to make sure it's clean and fresh.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking.
So after cleaning the kitchen, I went ahead to remove my food from the freezer. We're going to cook githeri, so I took off the beans, and for today I'm going to be mixing black beans and yellow beans. So that's what I removed so that it can be defrosting slowly on the counter space before lunchtime. And then I went ahead to clean the whole house but I only filmed the kitchen area because it's just cleaning. So yeah.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna.
I had boiled some corn the previous night, so that's what I am packing in a Ziploc bag, and that corn was hard. Oh my goodness. So I tried boiling it for like an hour, but still it was still, by the way, very hard. But the boiling like didn't help to soften it. And in this season, it's the dry season, it's so hard to find soft corn around, maybe at the supermarket. So are you able to dondoa?
Yes, Mommy.
Look, people are singing.
Hi, guys. Look. Mom, make me finish.
So here I was just combining the corn and the beans. As I said, I used a mixture of black beans and yellow beans just to make it more nutritious and healthy.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really did.
So I'm done with cooking, and this is what I've cooked. Steamed cabbage, some rice for baby Asha, because I have cooked githeri. I love githeri that has potatoes and pumpkins. So that's what we have here, and that's why I've cooked Asha a different meal, because the corn was so hard. And kamande, so kamande and rice for baby, and steamed cabbage, and oh wow, and githeri for us. That's what we're going to have for lunch and dinner. No, yes, for real. Hey, because I don't have energy to cook again. So yeah. Guys, for my next chore is to prep these vegetables. They're all spinach. As you can see, it's like a quarter of a sack. Let me show you how they look. So here's how they're looking. I need to prep them by like washing and blanching them, and then cutting them and storing them in the freezer. So let's do that. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to do all this because ni mingi and I'm already tired, but we're going to do as much as we can, and then the rest I'm just going to put them in the fridge to do tomorrow because I don't want to stress myself out too much. So since cleaning all those greens is a lot of work, I prefer doing it from my balcony. And I've realized I don't have water in this tank of mine. So first I'm going to refill the tank with water, because I love to wash them with a lot of water so that they are thoroughly clean. So I refill that tank with water, and then we clean the balcony, then we do that.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show out. Started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass celibate. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your fault. Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking.
Let me explain what I'll be doing. So here are the greens. I'll be removing their spinach mostly. I'll be removing the stalks, these ones, and making sure has no wadudu. Stalks I keep here, and then I start washing. We have that one, wash here, and then here, and then here. Then finally the clean ones, I put them there to dry. And then I repeat that process for all of them. Then finally we go and blanch them after they are clean. Guys, her girl is pregnant. She's got to be comfortable.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show out. Started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass celibate. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted.
So here is how the water is looking, and as you can see, the final one is actually clean. So moving on to blanching, I just have boiled water in that sufuria, and I just blanch them for maybe a minute or less. Actually, I do it very fast, probably a minute. So I just don't wait for long. As long as they've changed color, I just remove immediately.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly.
See, that's how they're looking. I don't let them overcook at all. And here I have some water. I just cool them off immediately. This process really takes up a lot of water. So, and then I'm going to run some water to cool them even further, because if they continue cooking, they're going to turn black and you won't like it. So you have to make sure it is thoroughly cooled. And just like that, our greens are good. Oh, I also love the fact that it really reduces them in size. So I'm able to put, like you saw, that was like a quarter sack of spinach, and they're all going to fit in my freezer. So I love that it reduces the surface area. So this is the difference. These ones are the ones that I've blanched, and these ones are the fresh ones. See, there is no major difference. In fact, this color is more, it's more fixed, it's more brilliant. Yeah, but that's how we do it. And I have so much work to do. At least you get it. I'm going to now to be showing you when I cut, because I don't like to store them like this. I love to go all the way. I chop them, I pack them, and then now I freeze them. So that ugali days, they're so easy. I just get one pack, and all these greens will probably last me like 2 weeks. And yeah, that's it.